Summary Chapter 9, Choosing Career. As children, we think of becoming pilots or doctors. When we are inspired by an actor, scientist, or sportsman, we want to be like that. But now we need to think seriously about this issue for our happiness, peace, and future. There is a difference between a career and a job. A job is a work that is done to make money. It can be full-time or part-time. It does not require a professional degree or future planning. A career is a long-term journey based on one's passions, future growth, and personal advancement. For a career, one needs a certain level of education, a professional degree, or at least a special skill. When choosing a career, it is important that we are interested in that career. Many students choose a particular career based on prevailing social trends, family insistence, peer pressure, or lack of knowledge about other choices rather than their interests. Eventually, after a while, they no longer have the motivation to continue. Ultimately, this lack of attraction leads to dissatisfaction and a negative emotional experience. Our personality and our values also determine career choices. Everyone has some personal values that shape their priorities. Our career decisions should be tailored to our values and appropriate to our personalities. We must have the required skills to pursue our preferred careers. We can choose a career only if we are sure that we have the required skills or that we will become proficient in the required skills. Make sure our skills and interests match our desired career path. Sometimes we have a very imaginative and unattainable idea about our dream careers. So it's always helpful to talk to someone who has experience in the career we want to pursue. We can ask someone experienced in that field or seek the help of a career counselor. Most careers require a university degree and an extensive period of study or training, so we need to know the various courses and their entry requirements. We can get this information from various websites, and its format should also be known. We should prepare for the entrance test. Finding our dream career is not just a wish. It requires hard work, determination, and the right attitude. However, sometimes, despite our best efforts, we fail to achieve our goals. We should revise our strategy and try with renewed enthusiasm, more experience, and new insights. We should look for these opportunities until we find one that suits us. Not everyone is destined to have the same career or the same path. There are 1,000 different ways to choose from. We should have confidence in ourselves, have a clear view of our future, make an honest analysis of ourselves, and strive for our careers with unwavering dedication.